Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey everybody, Ernie here with Wicked Awesome Workshop, and we're going to be showing you a new jig system here today, and it's going to be based on a standard thing we've all seen before a million times. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Whew, that was a horrible sneeze. Alright, so one of the things with jig systems for me is I want to be able to set it up once and run my batch. I don't want to have to constantly set up my files, and one of the biggest things for me lately is interchangeability. So let's say I have a coaster jig, I put it down, bolt it in, whatever, and then I want to do some patches next, or then I want to do some whiskey tumbler ice cubes, right? I don't want to have to set it all up every time, so I want interchangeability. So in thinking about that, I decided to take an old system or an old process and put a little thought into it, and this is what I've come up with. The old square bracket, right? We've all seen it, we've all got them. But this one has notches. So let me show you how it works. Let's turn some light on here. Alright. So here we have our square bracket all bolted down and ready to go. And let's say I want to do some round coasters. Alright, so we grab our round coaster jig as such, and we set it in there. Yeah, we could have a plain square one and just push it in and butt it up, right? But it's not secure when you do that. This is secure, so there's no danger of bumping it out of the way when you take your stuff in and out, right? So we put in a coaster. This one's already engraved, but I'm digging out my blanks. So we put in a coaster, we engrave it, we take it out, we put in the next one. Every single one is going to be 100% identical, right? Okay. So next, let's say I want to do some of those new bullet-shaped whiskey tumbler or whiskey ice cube things, right? I made a jig for that last night using this system. We set that in there, and now we can load up our little bullet-shaped whiskey cubes. There are 6 per package, so I made the jig hold 6. Now there's going to be an alternate version to have them facing the right as well, because we can't exactly just turn this around. Well, I mean, I could put things over here, I guess, to turn it, but I don't know if I want things hanging off like that. Well, I'll think about that. But anyway, there's our whiskey jigs, or our bullet tumblers. So let's pretend I have a patch jig made up, which I don't yet, but I will. And then we just take this one out, put in the patch jig, and go. Right? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Let's pretend that's a patch jig. Now I can do patches. So, it will come with the hardware. I'll supply that for you, so you don't have to do anything special. I will even include a little Allen wrench. It will not be this fancy expensive one that I got here. It will be a 3D printed one that will certainly work well enough for what we're doing here. So we just take it out. Obviously you can put this wherever you want. I just have it in the center, but you can put it wherever. So there you go. There is the bracket jig system. But wait, there's more. It's not a true infomercial if you don't say that, right? Let's say I want to do 2. Hey Ernie, I like to do 2 at a time. I don't like just doing 1. Okay. There you go. Now you can do 2. 1 on each side. That's fine, right? But wait, there's more. I like to do 4 at a time because I am super special. Look at me. There you go. Now you can do 4. Bolt that sucker in, put your 4 plates in there. Use the whiskey ice cubes as a sample. You want to do 24 at a time. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. There you go, guys. Interchangeability. That's what it's all about. Trying not to make the standard stuff that you see every day. Want to put a little twist on it. Make it a little better. So that's where we're at. This is what I'm calling the bracket jig system. Interchangeable jig system. I'll try to think of a better word. But then I have my movable jig system, and I will make, the whiskey tumbler thing adapted for that. Every jig that I have will be available for each type of system that you want to have. And then they will also be plain ones for people that don't want the movable system or people that don't want the bracketed system. They just want the regular old square jig. That'll be an option too. So, there you go, guys. Take it easy. Bye.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over